Okay, I put the screw back in and I had to cut it off for a minute. This is really just, I should have had the tripod set up for this. I thought I could do it one hand, but and the last part is you just want to carefully set back this laser lens cap. It should just snap right into place. It's got two sides. You can hear both sides. It just snapped. So it's back together now, and after you clean the inside, you want to clean the top side the same way, which I just did, and it should be good to go now. But after I do it, I always let it set about 20 minutes, because if there's any residual water on there, you don't want to cut it right back on, because you don't want to get water spots like you might get if you left a little bit of water on your car, when you're washing it in the sunlight. So, because the laser gets up pretty hot pretty quick, so you want to make sure that any residual, there shouldn't be any, but if there is any residual water on there, you want to make sure it's completely evaporated before you cut this back on. So, all right, well, that concludes my cleaning of this. So, all right, well, thanks for watching, everyone.